Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 242. If we start with this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 3. 5 here, so 8, 5. For this row now, we're just missing a 6. For this row, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 2. 6 here, so 7, 6. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 4, and I don't see any help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. For this column, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got a 3 here and an 8 here, so this is our 2. But I don't see any other help. So 3, 8, 3, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got 1 here, 7 here, so this is our 3. 7 here, so 1, 7. For this box now, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 6. 9 here, so 4, 9. For this bottom row now, we're just missing a 7. And for this box, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got 3 and 4 here, so this is our 5. 3 here, so 4, 3. That 4 makes this our 1, 4. Oh, and this 3 makes this our 8, 3. For this box now, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 6 here, so 8, 6. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. For this box, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 8. 8 here, so 6, 7. 7 here, so 6, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got 2 and 7 here, so this is our 1. 2 here, so 7, 2. That 7 makes this our 6, 8, 7. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this row, we're just missing a 5. For this row, we're missing a 6. And for this box, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.